stop! Before you pair that red shirt with those green pants, let me save you from the biggest color mistakes that are killing your style. Black and navy blue. Let's start with perhaps the most debated combination in men's fashion, black and navy blue. Black and navy together can look like a fashion mistake rather than a conscious choice. The problem? These colors are so close in depth that they create what I like to call the midnight confusion. That awkward moment when people can't tell if you meant to pair them or just got dressed in poor lighting. It's like trying to spot the difference between dark chocolate and milk chocolate at midnight. Technically different, but good luck telling them apart. But here's how to make it work. The key is creating intentional contrast and separation. Try adding a white or light gray element between the black and navy pieces. For instance, a navy blazer paired with a crisp white shirt and black trousers creates a sophisticated look that's both classic and intentional. The white shirt acts as a visual break, preventing the darker colors from blending together. Another approach? Pay attention to textures. A textured navy blazer with smooth black trousers creates visual interest that helps distinguish between the two colors. Red and green. Let's talk about a combination that can turn you into a walking Christmas decoration. Red and green together. Unless you're actually heading to a holiday party or working as one of Santa's helpers, that's probably not the vibe you're going for. But here's the thing. It's not just about avoiding the festive associations. These colors actually compete for attention in a way that makes your outfit look chaotic. It's like having two lead singers trying to outperform each other on stage. Nobody wins, and the audience just ends up confused. The good news? You don't have to completely abandon these colors. The magic lies in choosing the right shades. Instead of reaching for that fire engine red sweater and forest green pants, think burgundy and olive. These sophisticated cousins of red and green create a rich, mature look that works any time of the year. Try a burgundy knit sweater with olive chinos or an olive bomber jacket with burgundy accessories. By muting the colors, we've transformed a potentially tacky combo into something that looks intentional and refined. It's like taking Christmas dinner leftovers and turning them into a gourmet meal. Same ingredients, totally different result. Brown and gray. Now let's tackle another tricky combination, brown and gray. At first glance, these neutrals should work together, right? But often, they end up creating a muddy, undefined look that lacks personality. The problem usually occurs when the shades are too similar in tone, resulting in an outfit that appears unintentional and dull. But don't write off this combination just yet. There's a way to make it work beautifully. Choose shades that are distinctly different in tone. Think light gray with dark brown or charcoal with tan. For example, a light gray sweater paired with dark brown trousers creates a clear distinction that looks purposeful and refined. Want to take it up a notch? Add a blue or cream accent piece to bring some life to the combination. A light blue Oxford shirt under that gray sweater or a cream scarf with your brown coat can transform the entire look. If you're committed to keeping it neutral, play with textures and shades. A rich chocolate brown suede jacket paired with charcoal gray wool trousers creates depth and interest, even without adding color. Hey, if you're enjoying these style tips and want to learn more about elevating your wardrobe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Yellow and purple. Let's move on to a combination that often raises eyebrows. Yellow and purple. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Who even tries to wear yellow and purple together? Well, more people than you'd think. It's like mixing Red Bull with espresso. Technically possible, but why would you want to? These colors are actually complementary on the color wheel, which sounds great in theory, but in practice, it can look like your clothes are having a loud argument and nobody's winning. But here's the thing, you don't have to completely abandon either color. The secret is in the proportions and intensity. Think of it like seasoning a dish. A little goes a long way. Instead of wearing a bright yellow shirt with purple pants, please don't. Try incorporating one color as a subtle accent to the other. For example, A deep purple dress shirt with a neutral suit and a small yellow pocket square? That's how you master the art of bold colors. Or try a pale yellow button-down with a dark purple tie. Suddenly, you've got a sophisticated look that shows you understand color without being overwhelmed by it. Remember, when it comes to these powerful colors, less is definitely more. Brown and orange. Moving on to another challenging pair, brown and orange. These warm tones might seem like natural partners, but when worn together, they can create a muddy, undefined look that lacks sophistication. The issue here is that both colors share similar warm undertones, which can make your outfit appear one-dimensional. But here's the style hack that changes everything. Cool it down. Literally, think of your outfit like a color temperature thermostat. When you've got too much warmth with brown and orange, you need to balance it with cooler tones. A brown leather jacket with a light blue shirt underneath? That's how you keep the warmth while adding some refreshing contrast. And if you're absolutely must wear brown and orange together, vary the shades and separate them. A rich chocolate brown blazer over a cream shirt with a small burnt orange pocket square? Now that's how you pull off fall vibes without looking like you're cosplaying as a maple tree. Magenta and red. Let's talk about another tricky combination, magenta and red. While these colors might seem like natural partners since they're both in the red family, this pairing can actually create a visually jarring effect that's hard on the eyes. Here's the solution, and it's simpler than you might think. Pick your fighter. For example, if you're wearing a magenta shirt, pair it with charcoal or navy trousers rather than red ones. If you want to incorporate both colors, keep one as a small accent. Think a red pocket square with a magenta tie against a neutral suit. The key is creating intentional contrast while maintaining visual harmony. Neon colors together. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room, neon colors. While these bold, vibrant shades can make a statement, wearing multiple neon pieces together can create a look that's more traffic light than trendsetter. The challenge with neon colors is their intensity. When worn together, they compete for attention, creating a visually chaotic effect that can be overwhelming. The fix is straightforward. Treat neon like that one friend who always wants to be the center of attention. Never invite more than one to the same party. Use it sparingly, like a powerful spice in cooking. One neon piece paired with neutral colors? That's okay. Think neon green sneakers or belt with a black and white outfit, or a neon accent on a dark jacket. Alright guys, now that you know how to fix these tricky color combinations, your style game is about to reach a whole new level. But knowing what colors work together is just one piece of the puzzle. Want to build a truly timeless wardrobe? Check out our previous video on men's styles that never go out of date. Trust me, these are the classic pieces that'll make these color combinations work even better.